not moving your foot at all, and on low RPMs, it just, you can feel it. Like my foot is solid in place. If you floor it like it won't do it, but if you just ease into the throttle, RPMs, you feel the misfire. Oh, there it goes. You feel bad right there. You feel that jerk?
Yeah.
Yeah, oh yeah, it's bad. Yeah, it's jumping like crazy.